Hello everyone and welcome back to another BCP library video. My name is Katie and this is Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you some pirate crafts that you can make. We have some puppets. I'm going to show you how to make a pirate boat and also how to draw a pirate from your hand, and there's also some pirate activities you can print off and do yourself. And Charlie is here because he just wanted to dress up as a pirate and say hello to you all. So let's get on with the activities, shall we? So first of all, you can download some activities in the description down below by clicking the link. You can download them and print them off. There are some colouring pages and some pirate paper that you can maybe draw a treasure map on or write a story. There is also this page where you can cut out these bookmarks where there is a pirate on them and also a blank space, and on this one I've stuck a picture of my face because I wanted to look like a pirate. But you can also draw a face on, and I'm going to draw a face on this one to show you. There we go, there's my pirate face, and I'm just going to colour it in with my crayons. You can print these off yourself, or you can draw your own, and you can draw your own pirate face, or you can cut a picture of yourself or maybe your favourite book character. You can make your favourite book character as a pirate. And then once you are done, you will have a bookmark that you can put in your book, and it's very unique because it has your own pirate face. So this is my face, well, the face that I've drawn, and this is my face too. So the next activity is we're going to make some pirate puppets, and this is another page you can download in the description. You can also draw your own, and we're going to cut these out, and the holes in the middle are we're going to cut out as well. And I'm going to do this one, but you can either draw your own or use this one yourself. You just have to remember that the holes you draw in them at the bottom are around the same size as a 2p piece. So I'm just colouring mine in now, colouring my pirate in. And if you do this, it's much easier to do it on card, but if you don't have any card at home, you can just mount them onto card once you are done. I'm just adding a silver belt. And then I'm just going to cut it out very carefully. You might need a grown-up to help you cut out the middle holes. And once you have cut him out, you can put your fingers into the holes here. And it acts as legs. So we have this parrot. We have a nice pirate parrot. And we also have our pirate with a cutlass too. And you can maybe do your very own pirate puppet show to entertain your household. So now I'm going to show you how to draw a pirate out of your hand. So first of all, you need to take a piece of paper or card, place your hand on it. My hand is a little big because I'm a grown-up. Your hand might be a little bit smaller than mine. But you then need to draw around your hand just with a pencil, like I'm doing here, and then connect it up like this. And then what you need to do is take a red crayon or pencil and colour this area where the thumb is, which makes the pirate's bandana. And then we need to do an eye patch like this. There we go. And I'm going to do a smiley face because this is a friendly pirate. I'm going to take a googly eye for mine, but you can just draw your eye on if you want to. There we go. And now in the two middle fingers, I'm going to make some trousers. So I'm taking my brown pencil and just joining the lines here and here. So he has some nice brown trousers. You can give him whatever colour trousers you like. Maybe you want to give him some nice blue jeans. It's totally up to you. And then I'm going to give him a stripy t-shirt because the two outer fingers are going to act as his arms and the other two are his legs. So here is my red stripy t-shirt for my pirate. And then I'm also going to add some hands in a moment. But you can dress your pirate however you want to. It's totally up to you. You can maybe dress him like you. And here I am just adding some hands and feet, just adding the lines at the end of the fingers. And there we go, there is my pirate. So now I'm going to cut him out. And there he is cut out. It's my friendly little pirate. And now I've got some black paper, which I'm going to draw on with a white pencil. If you don't have any black paper, you can just draw it on normal paper, normal white paper, and colour it in black. That's fine. You don't even have to do this step if you don't want to. So I'm just drawing a pirate hat shape like this and then adding a skull shape too, which I'm colouring in with the white pencil. Then I'm just going to cut it out and stick it to the top of my pirate with a glue stick. There we go. Just need to glue it down. And there we go, my pirate is finished. So see if you can make a pirate out of drawing around your hand. So now we need to take a paper plate to make a boat, the boat sheet from the activity pack, scissors, glue, a lollipop stick and some tape. So this is the sheet from the activity pack. You can either print this out yourself, or you can pause the video and draw it out yourself, or draw your own design. It's totally up to you. I'm just colouring mine in here. So we have a couple of waves from the sea. The flag is already coloured in, and I'm just colouring the top of my boat because this will act as the top of the boat. I'm colouring this in red, but you can colour it in any colour you like, and I'm just going to colour in the little characters too. We have a little parrot and a little pirate. And once you have coloured it in, we just need to cut it out carefully with some scissors. So I'm just going to cut out my little bit of sea. Here we go. Just nice and carefully, and turning the paper because this has a lot of curves and it's much easier to cut curves if you turn the paper rather than your hand. And once you have cut them out, we need to take our lollipop stick and the flag, and we're going to fold the flag in half like this. There we go, and then we're going to open it back out again. And then we need to take our glue stick and just add some glue all over because we're going to glue it together. But before we glue it together, we're going to add our lollipop stick in the middle. If you don't have a lollipop stick, you could use a small pencil, that would work just as well. So we just need to place it about halfway down into the flag like this, and then fold it over. And there we have our pirate flag, which will be at the top of the boat. So once you have done those, you need to just put them to one side for a moment and take your paper plate. If you don't have a paper plate, you can just draw a circle onto some cardboard and colour it in, that's absolutely fine. I'm colouring mine in a brown bronze colour, but you can make your boat a multicoloured boat if you want to, it's totally up to you. You be as creative as you like. But when you have finished, it will look something like this. There we go, I've coloured mine in now. So now I'm just going to fold my paper plate in half, like this. And then this will make our boat, and if you put it down on the table, you will be able to rock it. You might just have to keep folding it and press the corners nice and tightly to keep it in shape. But there we have the base of our boat. So now we need to add the waves to the bottom of the boat, and to do this you can just use a glue stick like I'm doing. You can use some school glue if you want to, but a glue stick will stick just fine. So the waves go on the bottom of our boat, so it looks like the boat is in water. And then we need to stick on the top of our boat, so just put a bit of glue at the bottom of the piece of paper and then stick it to the top of the boat like this. There we go, and now we just need to add the flag. And for this goes at the back of the boat, behind the top part that we've just stuck on. And for this we just need some sticky tape. So I'm just adding a little bit of sticky tape to the back of the stick and attaching it to the paper plate. And then another piece to attach the stick to the piece of paper. And there we have our pirate boat. And if you put it on the table, you'll be able to make it rock, but not too much as we don't want the pirates inside to get seasick. So those are my pirate crafts. I think Charlie is going to go and have a go at some of those himself. Don't forget there is a link in the description where you can print all of these out for free, and there's also lots of other BCP library videos if you want to do some other activities with printable things for you as well. But that is all for today's craft video, and we'll see you in another BCP library video very soon.